So we heard a crash and we came out, and I mean, we weren't expecting to really see anything except like maybe two cars had hit each other. And so we came out and we looked at the car and we were really confused, and then we heard screaming and the word fire, and I saw smoke over there, and so we walked over to the corner and we saw the helicopter on fire and the fuel tank's over there. That's what hit.
First and foremost, our hearts go out to those impacted by this horrific crash here today in Kailua. Honolulu EMS, the Kailua unit, was responding on another call right here. When they heard a horrific bang, they turned around and they saw the helicopter on fire. When they got there, neighbors were doing a heroic job trying to put out the fire and also trying to get the patients away from the burning aircraft. EMS assisted, got two of the patients from the burning aircraft, but at that time, the two were deceased. At this time, we do know that there are a total of 3 fatalities, and the investigation will be going to the NTSB as well as the FAA.